my brown cat.
Now we're going to learn a very big important part about music, which is switching between chords in order to have a whole bunch of chords in a song. Right now we only know 2 chords, but that's fine because this is still a very important thing to know. So we're going to switch between the C chord and the G chord, and we're going to be using what's called a strumming pattern. And there are so many different strumming patterns, and it gets annoying. But this is probably the one that's used most often, which is down, down, up, down. And that also sounds a little bit difficult. So we're just going to start off using the C chord and do down, down, up, down, and then we'll learn how to switch to the G chord. So going down, down, up, down sounds difficult, but before you do it on the ukulele, we're just going to basically clap our hands together, and we're going to stomp our feet. So stomp your feet and try to create a rhythm with me. Ready? It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and start learning the strumming pattern by clapping our feet.
Hands.
4. Hands, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. And you can just do that and it's already fun. But it's even more fun when you can transfer it to an instrument. So, Lodi, we're going to demonstrate that one more time. So give it a second. And we're going to go slow. And you guys should also start off going really slow. And also know that there is no correct way to hold your hand, your strumming hand, while you're strumming this chord. The one I suggest is using your middle finger while going down and your thumb while going up, because it's just more comfortable and it's easier, it's quicker. So, ready? Lodi's going to do it a different way than I do, but that's not a big deal. Ready? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So this is something else you don't need to worry about. You don't need to worry about going slower than us, because it's always good to start off slow and build your way up. There's no problem with that. You might be going way slower than us, but that's okay as long as you are getting that beat. So the next thing we're going to learn is how to switch between the C and to the G. And when you're doing that, basically when you're done with this little pattern, down, down, up, down, what you're going to do is switch over to the other chord, which can also be difficult, which is why you should go really slow, because it's difficult. Lord, I just show switching between chords. Don't strum it, just show. So you have to move your fingers a lot. But slowly and slowly you're going to get better and better at this if you just keep doing this over and over and over. So now what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate what we're talking about, switching between chords. So what Lorelai is going to do is she's going to do this down, down, up, down pattern twice per chord, which means she's going to do 2 C chords like this, and then 2 G chords like this, over and over. And this is something you can practice at home, just like she's doing, but maybe a little bit slower so that it's easier for you to switch. So ready? We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up,